If your back isn't growing, then you are probably making one of these 3 mistakes that I'm going to be sharing in this video. And no, it's not about lifting heavier weight. Mistake number 1, pulling with your arms and not with your back. Most beginners and some experienced lifters rely too much on their biceps and their forearms during pulling exercises like rows and pull-ups. As a result, the lats, traps and rhomboids and rear delts don't get the tension they need to grow. Why this happens: a weak mind-muscle connection with your back, gripping the bar too tightly or pulling with your arms instead of your elbows, and lastly, rushing through the reps with poor form. How to fix this mistake? Imagine that your arms are like hooks and think about driving your elbows down depending on the exercise that you're performing. But it's really important to really focus on that mind-muscle connection, especially when you're training your back, you can't see it. So it's all about feeling throughout the movement. On your back exercises, also try and reduce the weight and really focus on squeezing the muscle throughout the movement. Think about controlling the movement, not only for the concentric part of the movement, but also the eccentric part. Mistake number 2, poor range of motion. A lot of people will perform half reps, especially on exercises such as the barbell row, pull-ups and lat pull down, meaning they never fully stretch or contract the muscles in the back. This matters because partial reps limit muscle fiber recruitment. Without full stretch, the eccentric part, and contraction, the concentric part of the movement, you miss out on hypertrophy and mobility benefits. How to fix this? Make sure that you go through the full range of motion when performing any of these exercises and really reap the full benefits of the exercise that you're performing. How to fix this? On pull-ups and lat pull down, go all the way down for a full stretch, then pull your chest to the bar or handle. On rows, let your shoulders protract forwards to really stretch the lats, then squeeze your shoulder blades together at the top. A really good tip is to record yourself whilst you're performing the movement, or to look in the mirror to ensure that you are maintaining excellent form throughout the whole exercise. You might be cheating your range of motion more than you realise. And mistake number 3, using too much momentum to lift the weight. When you use momentum, swinging your torso or jerking the weight, your muscles don't stay under tension. Instead, momentum is lifting the weight, not the strength in your body. Therefore, you're not going to be able to reap the benefits or the full benefit from the exercise that you're performing. Why this matters is because reducing time under tension will minimize effective muscle engagement, and this will increase the risk of injury, especially to your shoulders and your back. How to fix this? Use a controlled tempo throughout the movement. Aim for 2 seconds up, 1 second squeeze, and then 2 to 3 seconds down. Lighten the weight if you can't control the rep. Remember, it's about quality, not quantity, when you're doing your sets. For rows, plant your feet, brace your core, and avoid rocking your upper body throughout the movement. For pull-ups or pull-downs, pause at the bottom and the top, and really avoid using any momentum throughout the movement. Even if you perform half the number of reps that you usually do when you're usually using momentum, those reps are going to be a lot more beneficial for you than just using momentum throughout your sets. I hope you found this video useful. If it's helpful, I have also posted up another video on how to increase your pull-ups. I'll put a link down in the description. Please like, comment and consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.